loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss K Love, and today's video is going to be a speedy clean video from my kitchen and my living room. So we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to be washing my dishes before I put them in the dishwasher with my Myers dish soap. And I like to do this because the dishwasher does not catch everything, so I like to semi-wash them before I put them in the dishwasher. And pretty much that's what I'm doing for the start of this cleaning. I'm going in with my Myers surface cleaner. Guys, if you have not gotten this line yet, you need to, because their products smell bomb and it does not have them harsh chemical smells, like them really bad smells that you're not supposed to be inhaling. So I'm just pretty much using my cloth that I use for my countertop, just dampening it with hot water and just wiping down my counters and making sure I get the corners and just pretty much getting the stains and any food that I might have spilled over the counter while I was cooking, or anything that was spilled by my kids. And I'm just pretty much going through it. I try to go through it at least twice, and I go through my stove with that as well, and try to just catch everything I find dirty and just try to make it look good. I also use my Clorox disposable wipes to wipe down my stove to get any of those stains and food that was left over on the stove. Now I'm just washing out my sink with a separate sponge, not the same sponge I use for my dishes, but a separate sponge, and I basically sprayed it down with that Myers surface spray just to clean out my sink from any oil stains or any leftover food that might have been in there, and just give it a good clean, wipe it down really good, and then I ran hot water over it so it can just rinse it out. Over here wiping off my bar top. I still don't have bar stools yet, but that's alright. I still clean it off, but sometimes I do place things up here and it gets dusty at times. So I'm just using my paper towel for this part just to wipe it down and make it look nice and clean and shiny. Now I'm just going ahead sweeping up everything, all the dust, all the crumbs, cereal from the kids. They be spilling cereal every day. Also just getting the corners and cracks and just dumping that out on the trash. I'm not taking my trash out today because trash valet don't come until 8, so that'll be there. Now I'm going in with my Swiffer lavender stamp, just changing that out so I can go ahead and mop the floor, give it a good scrub down. However, I normally use a regular mop, but I'm still transitioning into my home and I have not bought a good mop as yet, so I'm just using a Swiffer as of right now to get all the stains that are on my floors. And it works pretty well. I actually like it better because it gets the corners, and look how much dirt that picked up. Yeah, a lot of nasty dirt. But anywho, once I let that dry, I go ahead and put my rug back down, and we're pretty much done with that. Heading on over to my living room, I'm prepping my couch by disinfecting it down with Febreze, also fluffing out my pillows because they're flat as hell, and just spraying it over with my Febreze scent. I believe this scent is the Hawaiian Sunburst or something like that. I'm not sure, but it smells really, really good. Febreze, to me, smells bomb. any of their Sentinel balm. And I'm just spraying that down. I got these pillows from TJ Maxx in Burlington. The gray one is from TJ Maxx. I believe it was $10.99. And the 2 white ones came in a pack from Burlington for $12.99. And I'm just sweeping up my living room, all the crumbs and stuff. And that's pretty much it. And I'm done for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves.